Hello, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now, I will give you a tutorial how to activate show content in this location on Twitter for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the start it. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. It means your profile picture. Click on. And let's move to the settings and privacy. For the next step, you can go to the privacy and safety. Click on. And go to the content you see. Okay, there is a have the four options for you. First one, the display media that may contain the sensitive content. The second one is topics. The third one is explore settings, and the fourth about the search settings. Okay, go to the explore settings here. And how to do activate show content in this location? You can slide away until has the blue one in the show content in this location. And this means when this on, you will see what's happening around you right now. Okay, this is the function of the show content in this location. Okay, I think it's enough how to activate show content in this location on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.